Folks, I want to talk to you about dressing up your portfolio with the top flooring stocks, right? Real exciting, like tech, like Zoom. No, it's not. But there's money to be made here, so pay attention. This is good stuff. The summer is here, and real estate markets are showing no signs of slowing down. Matter of fact, beginning of summer is historically a hot month for real estate purchases, since many parents want to lock up their home address and have a utility bill handy when it's time to enroll junior in the local high school. Moreover, housing data doesn't lie. According to Fox News, the rush of demand has soared home prices to soar significantly, benefiting homeowners looking to sell or even consider cashing out or refinances, which has increased over the past year. Fox goes on to say rising home prices threaten to overheat summer housing market. According to Forbes, in virtually every American city right now, many single-family homes hitting the market are selling in bidding wars, and the buyer with the most cash will close the fastest will win. Oh boy. Fed data for both existing home sales and new housing starts is off the charts, and it looks like the trend is not going anywhere anytime soon, at least not till interest rates appreciate substantially, which doesn't seem to be on the horizon for some time. Probably after summer, if I had to guess. As we head into the summer, I believe there will be another uptick in demand, as the warmer months are a great time to do repairs and remodeling. And when I look at the scenario from a technical perspective, the basic materials sector remains one of the strongest ones, and I believe there is substantial upside left. And there's a few stocks that are showing upside opportunity. Now, Mohawk Industries, ticker symbol MHK. Mohawk is a leading supplier of floor for both residential and commercial applications. MHK manufactures a wide variety of flooring products, including carpets, rugs, ceramic tile, laminate, wood, luxury vinyl, vinyl flooring, on and on and on. The company, which started as a US-focused carpet manufacturer, has turned into a leading global player in the diversified flooring market. Who would have thought? 1 year return for a boring carpet and floor maker, 120 return. 4 quarters of positive back-to-back earnings estimates and surprises, which goes a long way for building up momentum levels. Price target of $245 per share over the next 10 to 12 weeks is probable if the price pullback from the 50-day moving average is likely. Now, next stock, Interface Inc., ticker symbol TILE, like floor tile, T-I-L-E. It's the world's largest manufacturer of modular carpet, which markets under the Floor, F-L-O-R brand. The company is committed to goal of sustainability and in doing business in a way to minimize the impact on the environment while enhancing shareholder value. 1 year return for a boring carpet maker, 95% return. Now here's what I love about this stock. It's a Russell 2000 stock with a market cap of less than $1 billion, which means it has substantial upside. And I mean substantial. There's been 4 quarters of positive earnings surprises. Price target of about $20 per share over the next 10 to 12 weeks is likely if the trend in boring manufactural, industrial, and housing stocks continues to expand, which is likely under the current scenario. I particularly like how the stock is bucking the choppiness trend we're currently seeing in the Russell 2000. And I would wait for a pullback to the $14, maybe $13 level before going all in, but I do like the company at this time. And I do believe that the broader home improvement, carpet, lumber, anything to do with basic materials market is going to improve. Metals, anything to do with building homes, building, and construction repairs. You just can't go wrong with that right now. The market segment is just so hot. I hope it helps. Folks, very few people know this, but there's a glitch in the market that forces Wall Street to buy up a stock. Now, I'm not talking about tech explosions, value investing, or risky penny stocks. None of that stuff. I'm talking about household names soaring triple, even quadruple digits. So, knowing when this glitch happens could help everyday traders like you grab some of the fattest paydays ever. And that's exactly why stock market expert and Forbes contributor Adam Sarhan is finally revealing how anyone can spot the next stock. Don't you want to be that person? Click on the link below to learn the secret formula that could tip anyone off to the next overnight explosion. make sure to like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube. Stay ahead of the market by being the first to be notified when we post our next video. And have an amazing day.